Oh.
What was that?
He didn't like it. Whatever it was, he didn't like it.
It was manure.
But it wasn't his.
No, it was. Wait a minute.
Watch that tree. He'll run right into it.
But, there you go. Yeah, it was manure. Like cow manure or something.
Probably. There's cows that wander around out here.
It was about this big and flat
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Usually,
He just did not like it.
no, looked like a black hole to him.
Oh, maybe so. Never thought of that. That was scary. Just all of a sudden, whoa, and I'm going, what? And all I see is manure. It's like, seriously?
Yeah, watch the trees. He's walking towards them again. He will try to rub that card on a tree.
Or what?
Yeah, they're pecans, but they're from last year.
Why does he want to run into the tree?
Because he's going to rub that card off on a tree.
Oh, got it. No, let's go this way. Come on.